So this is the Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G. So let's quickly go ahead and unbox this smartphone. So the first thing inside the box is a sleeve, and inside that sleeve we get a case, some paperwork and a SIM ejector tool, and apart from that we get the phone obviously. So let me keep quiet and let's hear that plastic sound. Now apart from that, inside the box we get a 65 watt SuperVOOC charger, which is highly appreciated, and last but not the least we get a USB type A to type C cable, and this is a normal cable, it's not braided. But yeah, with the box contents out of the way, let's talk about the phone itself. Now the variant I have over here is called as Starlight Black, and yeah, in my opinion this is the best color of the Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G, and yeah, it looks absolutely stunning. Now this back is matte finish, so yeah, it doesn't attract fingerprints, which is a huge plus point. But speaking about the in-hand feel of this phone, then the phone feels pretty comfortable and premium in the hand. I really like that Oppo has gone with flat edges on this phone, so this basically means the phone can stand on itself, and even the case which comes out of the box fits really snugly and it fits well. So yeah, you can use this case for a bit, and yeah, it is a good quality case. Now another thing which I really like of the Oppo Reno 7 Pro is that out of the box it comes with a pre-applied screen guard. Now talking about the physical overview, then on the bottom we get some speakers, a Type-C port and the primary noise cancelling microphone. On the right side we have the power button, on top we have a secondary noise cancelling microphone, and last but not the least on the left side we have some volume rockers, and yeah, unfortunately no 3.5mm headphone jack on this phone, so yeah, it will be dearly missed. Now one really unique feature of the Oppo Reno 7 Pro is that it comes with a physical notification light, and yeah, this light is embedded into the camera module and it looks absolutely stunning. It's definitely a head turner. So Oppo is actually calling this the orbit breathing light, and yeah, it definitely looks really cool and stands out. But one really weird thing about the Oppo Reno 7 Pro is that it comes with ColorOS 12, which is based on Android 11 out of the box. Now Oppo has technically promised 2 years of security and software updates, so technically we'll be getting only up to Android 13 on this phone. Now that is slightly disappointing because it should have come with Android 12 out of the box, but hey, nonetheless ColorOS 12 feels pretty smooth. Now do keep in mind these are my initial impressions, and yeah, this is typical ColorOS 12, so yeah, we do get a lot of bloatware, but on the bright side we can uninstall most of it. Now the Oppo Reno 7 Pro comes with a custom made SoC called as the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Max. So yeah, Oppo has worked specifically with MediaTek to create this custom SoC, and apparently it gives better camera optimization. So yeah, essentially Oppo has worked with MediaTek to fine-tune the regular MediaTek Dimensity 1200 and create the Dimensity 1200 Max SoC. Now I feel it's too early to talk about the performance, so I'm going to reserve that for my full review. But speaking about the cameras, then on the rear side we get a 50 megapixel primary sensor. So this is the Sony IMX766. Now apart from that we get a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro camera. So here are some samples side by side shot by the primary and ultra wide sensor. Initial impressions are, I do feel that there is a slight contrast added to the photos, but apart from that the sensor seems to catch a lot of light, and apart from that the dynamic range seems on point. Now the images have a great amount of detail. Now I do notice a slight color shift between the primary and the ultra wide sensor. And speaking about the macro photos, then here are some samples. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. below. And speaking about the selfie camera, then the Oppo Reno 7 Pro is apparently the first phone to come with the Sony IMX709, that too in the selfie. Now again, here are some samples, so you guys let me know what you think about the selfie photos in the comments down below. I personally think they look good. The edge detection seems on point. Now obviously I'm going to be using this phone as my daily driver for the next 2 weeks and coming up with a detailed full review, so definitely make sure to stick around for that. But I'll leave you guys with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.